Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome to a new episode of Rad City Berlin. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel so far. I'm just gonna put this together real quick. This is the Super73 Rider Kit Giveaway winners announcement. In the past, I used to do these Rad Swag Giveaway announcements on the channel, but this one particularly I just did on Instagram. But normally I do it here on the YouTube where we're like doing videos, but in today's video we're just doing it here on the gram. We're just doing it here on YouTube real quick. Quick winners reveal video for the Super73 Rider bag here from Chrome Industry. So 100% financed by myself. So please hit that subscribe button. Check out Rad City Berlin on Instagram if you guys want to follow up and stay tuned for more Rad Swag giveaways. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm really proud that Super73 reached out to me. I'll leave the link below, but real quick, you can see here a screenshot of the video. I won't play any part of the video because I don't want to get into any sort of copyright issues. But there's a really cool video here from Super73 that they started off the year with, the top 10 Group RIde Essentials. Really awesome video. Tristan reached out to me. I did a small little clip for them for that video. Top 10 things to have in a group ride, okay? We have helmets, gloves, inner tubes, GoPros, cell phone holders. What else is there? For sure, a electric air pump, right? You don't want to leave home without it, either for yourself or for your buddy's bike. If you're out and about in a group ride, invest in an electric air pump. So proud to represent here in Germany for the Super Squad out here in Germany. So Rad City Berlin, really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I put out this Instagram post, the Super73 Rider Bag Giveaway. Right, so all you had to do was to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in any video with the keyword Rider Bag, and then to send a photo of your entry on Instagram. So if you guys want to enter in future prizes, make sure to follow me on Instagram so you guys stay tuned to future giveaways, okay? But also, if you guys are entering a contest on YouTube, what's really important is to make sure that your YouTube account is not private. Otherwise, it makes it impossible for the YouTube creators to be able to match your name with their subscriber list, right? So that makes it hard for me too to be able to see, okay, who's an actual subscriber and who left a comment. Because if your YouTube profile is set to private, then we don't see who's subscribing, and it's impossible really to tell if you want a prize, right? So that being said, if you want to win a prize, make sure your profile is on public, at least for that period while the giveaway is going on. You can put it back to private afterwards, but if you want to win some swag, win some cool prizes on YouTube channels, make sure that your channel is on public. So without any further ado, let's go and get on to today's video, announcing here the winners for the Rad Swag giveaway. So it's basically the exact same kit that you have there from Tristan and more, right? So starting off in the differences between his list and our list here is that he included a hair net on their list there. Of course, not everybody has hair, not everybody needs a hair net. So instead, what you guys need is a muck off microfiber cleaning cloth. That's super handy. That'll come in really handy when you're out and about on the road for your group rides, okay? On top of that, Tristan as well too, they mentioned have a 3mm Allen key and a 5mm Allen key. All right, so Rad City, we don't do anything basic here. Boom, we have here a 13-piece hex key kit, right? So really nice blacked out Allen key kit. I can show you guys real quick. Some really nice blacked out Allen keys with a nice holder. Okay. This is well too, you guys are going to be getting in the mail. Boom. So we won't do anything basic here. Instead of just getting 1 or 2 Allen keys, I got you guys an entire set. Hope you guys appreciate that, so that there's no Allen key on your bike that you won't be able to loosen or tighten with this sucker. Okay, so microfiber cloth, Allen keys, Chrome Cadet bag. What else do they have there inside that video from Super73? They said to have a 10mm and a 15mm wrenches in your tool bag. So Rad City Berlin, nothing basic here, we do it extra rad. I got you guys here the Proxxon Industrial Allen wrench set So this entire set here is the exact same that we use here at Craftwork. Really nice high quality wrenches. This includes as well the 21 and the 19 millimeter wrenches. So that way you can change your front tire and your rear tire while you're out and about on the road. You don't need to take the entire set with you. You just take the few that you want. But really nice high quality tool set. This as well too is going in the bag with the winner in today's video. Okay, so check. Wrenches, Allen keys, microfiber cloth, Chrome Cadet bag. Most of the head inside that bag, they also included a spare tire. So spare tire check, you're also getting as well too. Okay, check spare tire. This is a OEM Super73 4.5 by 5 inch wide tire. Check. I got that directly from Super73's website for y'all. So I ordered that from Super73. And as well too on their list, they said to have an air pump. So you guys are going to be getting the exact same air pump that Rad City Berlin uses. This really nice high quality air pump. You can set it and forget it. Does it all automatically. Okay, so really nice air pump. Check. That as well too is going in the mail with the winner in today's video. And what else do they have? Plus zip ties and zip tie snippers. So this you'll be able to cut your zip ties with. And as well too, I'll be including a whole set of zip ties with the Chrome bag as well too. Awesome, y'all. Super73 Rider Kit Giveaway. So this is everything that we're giving out in the giveaway today. Just a real quick video today. So 16 entries. I really appreciate everybody who entered into the contest. I'm sorry I can't give a prize out to everybody. Okay, but in this video, basically, I'm just gonna pick the winner because you guys left the comments all over and many different videos, so it's gonna be easy for me to pick randomly a winner. So, in today's video, if you see your name here, Demzella Jonesy, I'm happy that you entered for the contest, representing for the Super Squad ladies out there. So, really nice, good to represent for all the women out there riding your Super 73s. Much respect to you for riding your Super 73. That's awesome. I hope this rider kit comes in handy for you. So Demzella Jonesy, congratulations again. Hit me up on Instagram with your shipping and details so that then we can get all this rad swag to you ASAP, okay? So thanks again to everybody who entered into the contest. Sorry that I couldn't give a prize out to everybody, all right? But I'm really appreciative of all the love and support for Rad City Berlin. Normally we're doing our Rad Swag giveaway videos and then doing like a winner's announcement later. In today's video, I was sick the past week from getting the third shot, so definitely stay vaccinated, stay boosted, okay? I was feeling a little bit under the weather. I was out sick from work, so I was really not feeling so well. Thankfully, I got the whole Grizzlies done before I got the third shot done, so I got all that content filmed before I got the third shot done, so that was fine. I was able to lay up and just relax and edit in peace and get that last video done, so all good. I'm feeling much better. We just installed the mole panel magnetic brackets here on the RX, so good to go. More Rad City content coming real soon here in Rad City Berlin. More Super 73 content coming real soon here in Rad City Berlin, so I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel, supporting Rad City Berlin. Follow me on Instagram to stay tuned for future Rad Swag giveaways and other channel announcements. So congratulations, Demzella Jonesy. You're getting here the air pump that goes inside the bag. You're getting here the microfiber air cloth going inside the bag. Getting here the spare tube that's going inside the bag. Getting here this beautiful Allen key, black tie Allen key. That's as well going inside the bag. Zip tie cutters going inside the bag for you. Alright. Boom. And as well too, of course, this beautiful wrench set here so that then you can change your tires on the road. So, boom. Really nice. Demzella Jonesy, this is for you. Super 73 community, Rad City is for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys again real soon. This is Rad City Berlin. I'm out.